Hello, my students. I didn't even notice I turned it on. Hey, how's it going? Hey, wouldn't it be great locked up if you had a brother and sister to play around with? Get up right now and give them a hug. Walk into the other room. Bustamante's, Allen's, anyone else, go and hug your brother and sister. Well, anyways, I'm all by myself. I'm even thought about eating healthy food. That's how bad it's getting. But anyways, first, do these three problems for me. Just freeze the whatever you call it, screen, and then do these three, and then I'll do them. Turn me back on. Thank you. Well, hopefully it's not too bad. First, you gotta say, hey, what graph has a sum of squares and different coefficients? Would that be an ellipse? Ellipse, we're looking for the chloride. So here we go. The center is 2, 1. Left, right, a 2. Up, down, 3. Now, it's an equal, so that means it's a solid graph. So 2, 1 is here. Left, right, 2. Up, down, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, it's a curve. I don't want to see connect the dots baseball field. Now, it's an inequality, so shading's involved. So let's pick a point. Let's pick the center, 2, 1. 2 minus 2 is 0 over 4 is 0. Plus 1 minus 1 is 0 over 9 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0, less than or equal to 1. Yes. So it's inside. Woohoo. Woohoo! Write as a log, so it'd be log base 3 of 81 is 4. Write as an exponent, so it'd be 2 to the 5th is 32. Now, got some more problems for you to do. So freeze me again, and then do these problems, and then turn me back on. Well, hello. So, you rewrite as an exponent, because we don't really know logs that well. Some of you might be able to figure this out. Now, remember, this would be normally, it's plus or minus 3, but you can't have a negative base in a log. So this would be 2 to the negative 3 is x. Negative means take the reciprocal. 3 means cube it, so it's 1/8. This one, 3 to the x equals 1 over 27. If you remember, you got to get the same base on both sides. So this is pretty easy because 27 is 3 cubed. To move it up, it's negative. And this one, a little bit more challenging. 9 to the x is 3 cube root of 3. Oops. So, 9 is 3 squared. 3 is 3 to the first. Square root of 3 is 3 to the half. So, it's 3 to the 2x equals 3 to the 3 halves. So, I'm going to bring it over here. 2x equals 3 halves. So, x is 3/4. You divide both sides by 2. This one, if you remember, if the base isn't shown, it's assumed to be 10. 10 to what power is 1,000? And that's 3. So you could say, okay, that's a 10. Unknown. So 10 to the x equals 1,000. Well, wait a minute. When you cube it, you get 1,000. Flip you over. Now, what I wanted to concentrate on today is the laws of logarithms. So if you remember, there's 3. There's log, if you have an m of x times y, that's log of x plus log of y. I keep forgetting to put the base because I'm used to base 10. The base isn't shown, it's assumed to be 10. Then you have log base m of x divided by y. So it'd be log base m of x minus log base m of y. And if you have log base m of x to the y, that's the same as log base, of y times log base m of x. So those are the three logs. So today is still just a review. Now we have those three. So let's say I give you these two pieces of information. Let's say log of 3 is approximately 0.48. Log of 6 is about 0.78. And our base is 10. So we can use 10 with this. In terms of multiplying, dividing, or a power, how can I rewrite 18 in terms of 6, 3, or 10? Well, hopefully that one's not too bad for you. I started off kind of easy. So, So it'd be log of 3 plus log of 6. So that would be 0.48 plus 0.78, which, if we all know, is 1.26. Now log of 9. How can I write log of 9 in terms of 3, 6, or 10? Because my base is 10. So you would say, well, I could do log of 3 plus log of 3, because 9 is 3 times 3. And when you're multiplying the innards of a log, you add. So that'd be 0.48 plus 0.48, which is 0.96. Or you could say it's log. Oh, it froze. Sorry about that. I don't know what's going on. It freezes every so often. Mercy. Must be the coronavirus has attacked my iPad. So you could go, it's a log of 3 squared, which, if you know the third law of logarithm, is 2 times log 3. So that would be 2 times 0.48, which is the same as what we got before. Then the last one I got here is 60. But again, you got 3, 6, or 10. So how about log of 6 times 10? So it'd be log of 6 plus log of 10. So log of 6 we said is 0.78. Now log of 10, 10 to what power is 10? And that's 1. So that'd be 1.78. So remember, if we know the base, we can figure this out if it's the same base. In fact, if this is the same base as this, the answer is just the power. So if this is log base 10 of 100, which is 10 squared, the answer is 2. So, knowing this, log of 3 is 0.48 and log of 6 is 0.78, using the laws of logarithms, figure out these 6 by tomorrow. Now, start at tomorrow, well, Wednesday, I guess you'd say. Today's Tuesday. This is Tuesday's lesson. I'm actually making it on Monday night, but that's okay. But on Wednesday at the start... Oh, that's a hair on that. I thought it was a hair on my lens. Never mind. Now it's all messed up. There we go. Sorry about that. Do those 6. See if you figure out. Now, there's a couple on here that are very tricky. That's a tricky one. So knowing that log of 3 is 0.48, log of 6 is 0.78, and the base is 10, see if you can figure out those 6 by tomorrow. So you might want to write them down, do them, then I'll have the answers tomorrow. And then we're going to continue on with technology and logarithms, finally. But anyways, hey, have a good day.